This Phantom wallet is loaded with $4.79 million, all from launching meme coins, not by chasing charts, but just by creating them. Stick around, I'll break it all down. I swear to God, bro, I spent literally months buying hype coins and hoping for that one moon coin. But every single time, I got completely wrecked, just like this chart right here. The winners were not the traders, they were the devers. Which means launching means you control the entire story, the supply, and the liquidity. You are the one who created the coin basically. And you risk absolutely nothing as a creator because all you're doing is launching and waiting for buyers. But if you keep trading, you'll keep losing. That's how it works in this market. And right now, Bitcoin is breaking highs and Solana is currently at $240. It's the best time to start launching. You do not want to miss this video. But obviously, this is only for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and nothing here is financial advice, so obviously I am capping. Now, Pump.Fun is oversaturated. So many projects are drowning in the flood and you don't even control your own liquidity. And on top of that, if you launch a coin on Pump.Fun, it has to reach 100% bonding curve for it to migrate onto Raydium, right? So that's really inefficient and it's really hard to make some money if you dev on Pump.Fun. And that's exactly why I completely switched to create tokens.io now. On here, your token launches straight to Raydium, instantly migrated so you don't have to worry about the bonding curve and visible to buyers right away. That's exactly why thousands of devs and a bunch of new people are coming in every single day on this platform to make meme coins. I would highly recommend it. Okay, let's stop over explaining. I'm going to launch a coin right now to prove to you guys that this actually works. So first of all, I'm going to connect my Phantom wallet to the website. It's already done because I use this website every single day. Then click on refresh list and we're going to look for a coin to copy. It could be literally anything, okay? Just something easy to, yeah, like this one, Fin. It has a last buy 7 seconds ago and a $51,000 market cap with a Telegram group. So I'm going to create coin. Ignore the warning, it's completely normal, okay? It's not fucking malicious, it's cap. Okay, just proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created. You just gotta be patient. And bro, you guys will see, bro, you can make a lot of money. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is super simple. We're just adding liquidity so your token is instantly tradable on Raydium and yeah, even Pump.Fun. You could find it on the migrate section. Now just two simple steps. For the amount token A, just click the button in the middle right here, which is 90%. That's going to drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Right under is your first buy into your own project. For the amount token B, you are not losing money here, okay? I repeat, you are not losing money here. It's locked into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you pull out the liquidity later, that SOL comes right back to you, okay, inside your dev wallet. Now I'm going to put 0.35 Solana, then click on create pool, then ignore never mind, and then click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Fin coin is now live, or piano is right here. And if you click on refresh once again, now we're up $233. Click on view on Photon to see the official chart. Let me go on full screen for a better visual. Come on, bro, hello. And now it's live, 50, okay, yo, we're already up a couple $100 at the moment. Oh my god! What the fuck? It's pumping, bro! What the hell? Should I dump the coin? Actually, no, I'm not gonna do it right now. We're gonna wait to get, oh my god! It's still even, oh, it's still pumping. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give this coin more time. Guys, by the way, do not be emotional like me. You guys have to know that it is going to keep pumping and pumping because more and more people are going to see it on the DEX, right? So that's how it works, and which means we'll get to way more buyers. It's gonna go bonkers, okay? You guys will see how much money I make at the end of the video. It's absolutely insane. I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes and I'm gonna be right back, so please enjoy the show. Okay guys, I am back. It looks like we're at a $2.6 thousand market cap, and that's exactly why you have to be using create tokens.io instead of Pump.Fun, because look, yo, believe it or not, okay, it looks like not a lot, but trust me bro, it's a lot of profits. That's the beauty of deving coins. Now, if you want to make some money, come back to create tokens.io and then click on the refresh button. And now, as you guys can see, I am up $1.9 thousand in PNL, which is extremely good for a $2.6 thousand market cap, and it's even going higher. That's the beauty of fucking Raydium. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money, and then click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev a meme coin and make a shit ton of money. You guys have to be making coins right now because Solana is fucking high. And if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom! $1.9 thousand straight inside my wallet. It's all fucking legit. It's no cap, bro. It's a real tutorial. And that's exactly why you have to be supporting small channels, because we give out free sauce.